Are you guys ready to see this hair? 3, 2... Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to another video. My name is Gabrieladanelle. If you are new here, where we talk about all things beauty while going skin deep. Today we're going to talk about cutting this hair because I need a haircut. It's been a long time since I've gotten a haircut. It's been around 5-6 months, so I'm definitely due for a haircut. But the secret sauce to this video is that I will be the one cutting my hair. But the thing is that I am just so tired. I'm tired of spending so much money for curly haircuts. And you guys know, if you have curly hair, you know exactly what I'm talking about. When I say that curly haircuts are so expensive, they can be from $100 to $200 to sometimes $300. And honestly, at this point, this is like exploitation of curly hair. I just figured, why not just try it for myself? So we're gonna see how this works out. So my hair is wet. I just put conditioner just to soften it and to make it easier as I run the brush through my hair. I already detangled it, so it is nice and smooth. I'm going to adjust this camera just so that you guys can see how long my hair is right now. Give me 1 second. Oh, we are so close and personal right now. I think that's good. I think that's good. Yeah. All right, so this is my length. Very long, okay? I should probably show you guys what I'm using, right? So I'm using my trusty scissors that I got from Target. Clips to hold back my hair. I have 2 telephone cord hair ties as well as 1 regular hair tie, and also a little comb for detangling. So I'm going to first take apart the front of my hair in a little section, just because this part of my hair is shorter than the rest of my hair. I'm not going to cut bangs. I thought about it. I really did. Believe me, I did. But I'm not going to, just because I feel like my curl texture just wouldn't look good with bangs. Also, I would be highly annoyed if my hair was constantly frizzing up in the front. My hair is very, very dry in the front of my hair, so I definitely do not want to add to that by making it shorter. So I'm just gonna separate this. That was a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be. I'm gonna take this section, and what I'm gonna do is that I'm going to twist it like so. I am going to cut a little bit on here. I am in no way a professional hairstylist. I have never cut my hair before like this, so I am a complete novice at what I'm about to do. I am going to snip this part. I'm going to take maybe this much off. Yeah, sounds good. So I'm going to cut it at an angle. So nervous. Okay, and then I am just going to tie that right up here. All right, so next is the fun part. I am going to part my hair in half. Once it's all straightened out, what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to make sure that all of my hair is lying flat. No bumps, no lumps anywhere. I'm just going to tie that right there. I watched a really awesome video by Mel, and she taught me so much in that video. That's actually where I'm taking this technique from. I don't want it too high because then the layers that will come from this will be too choppy on the top. My top hairs will be way too short, and it won't be good if I make it too low. I'm staying right in the middle to put this ponytail to later, then cut the ends. Perfecto. And then I'm just gonna do the same on the other side. So that is pretty even. I'm gonna do this side first, and I'm just going to wet one more time because it is drying up. Right, so that is wet again. I'm going to find the place that I want to cut. I want to cut a good amount, okay? So I'm gonna cut about this much. That is about, what, like 4 inches? Something like that, 4 inches. I'm going to tie my regular hair tie right around that, and I'm gonna secure. This is what we're working with. I'm also gonna tie this one at the same time. I'm gonna repeat this step here just so that I can compare and make sure that I'm doing the same length for both sides. It seems like the same, about the same. And then I'm just going to snip. I should name it. Goodness gracious, what have I done? I don't know. Let's do the other side. as a friend. It took a lot of bravery. So I'm taking off the hair ties that I placed. Very crisp like end. It's like very thick and full. I like that. So it looks pretty even. I am going to take the front part of my hair. I'm taking everything by my ear like that, right behind my ear on both sides. And I'm just going to smooth this all in the front. This is not what I learned in the video by Maids by Mel. This is something I want to try to see if it can give me more layers. Now that I've gathered all of this in the front of my hair and it's even, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to smooth this out in the front, and I'm going to cut this much from the front. As you guys can see, I have like shorter pieces up here, which I love. I'm loving. I feel like this is going to turn out really good. You guys can see that my hair is now cut. This is so strange. So strange, honestly. It's shorter than I thought it was going to be, but for me, this is okay because of the fact that my hair in the front does not, like right here, does not get as curly. I would say that if someone has tighter curls up here, definitely not to go shorter than they want to. Not to overcut, because you can end up with a really, really curly puff right up here, and we don't want that. I'm really happy with how it feels, how it looks like. My ends feel so healthy again. My ends before were not looking that pretty. It's even on both sides. After I re-wet it and style it now, and when it dries, I'll be able to go in and dry cut any curls that I feel like need any refining. But look at this, my ends feel so thick and healthy and great. I'm trying to show you guys the length now. It's still very long, but it doesn't have those straggly ends that I was having before with my hair before the cut. But I'll show you guys my results once I'm all styled and dry. Guys, I'm gonna be dramatic for 1 second. Are you guys ready to see this hair? 3, 2, like, can I get, please, a come on now? Can I just get someone to testify about the struggle I thought I was gonna be putting myself into by cutting my hair at home? Okay, now, I cannot believe, seriously, like in all seriousness, I cannot believe that I did this myself at home. I am completely shocked in the best way. Here I am, having spent an hour doing it at home. And guys, this is just day 1 of these curls. Obviously, as the days go on, my hair will get bigger, my hair will get fluffier. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I'm sure you guys will be able to see all the photos related to that. But these are my day 1 curls, and I am so thankful for YouTube and for tutorials, because I just think that there's so much that we can learn to do on our own, because girl, sis is not trained in curly haircuts whatsoever, and I think this comes pretty close, if I can say so myself. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. It would really help me out, and I would really appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to join the family here to see more videos about all things beauty while going skin deep. And I'll see all you lovely people in the next video.